This is example 5.7 on page 182 of your text. And this is another example with predicting precipitation reactions. So here they're asking us to write the precipitation reaction, if any occurs, when solutions of sodium nitrate and lithium sulfate are mixed. So first step is to translate these formula names to formulas for the compounds. So sodium nitrate's formula is NaNO3, and it is aqueous currently. And lithium sulfate's formula is Li2SO4. Because sulfate has a 2- charge, so we need 2 lithium plus ions to account for that. And that also has an AQ next to it. So now we're going to do a little partner swapping. Cation of one goes with the anion of the other to make 2 possible products. So lithium and nitrate pair together, and then sodium and sulfate pair together. For my possible products of sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, and lithium nitrate, LiNO3. There you go. Remember to account for the balancing of the charges when you're writing formulas. So now this is where we consult our our solubility rules to determine if either one of these is insoluble, if we form a precipitate. So sodium sulfate, since it contains sodium, is going to be soluble. Sulfates are typically they are typically soluble, either because they contain sodium or they're in the generally soluble column. Whereas lithium nitrate, because it contains lithium and nitrate, is also soluble. So at this point, because both of these compounds are soluble, all that's going to happen in solution is that these ions are going to dissociate and just be floating around in the water. There's nothing that is reacting to form a solid. We just have a bunch of ions floating around in solution freely. So therefore, there is no reaction that occurs, even though we could swap the ions, because no precipitate or solid forms, no reaction occurs. So the answer for this would literally just be no reaction. So anytime that you have 2 possible products that are both soluble in a precipitation type reaction, no reaction will occur.